Good morning, children. The next concept, chapter triangles, theorem number 6.8. This theorem is otherwise called as the Pythagoras theorem. That means, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. First, we will see the diagram. Today, I will take little bit the normal triangle. Using the normal triangle, I will prove it out. Okay. So, I take this is A, this is B, this is C, because I need B is my 90 degree. So now we will write the given. What is given means, in a right angled triangle ABC and angle B is 90 degree. That means, what is angle B means? This is the right angle triangle. That means angle A, B, C. This is the right angle triangle. So, what to prove? What you are going to prove means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This concept is otherwise called as Pythagoras theorem. It's called as Pythagoras theorem. So, how to prove? Write the construction. Construction matlab, construction is BD perpendicular to AC. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. That means this is this B is from B. You draw one perpendicular line. This also 90 degree. That is, this perpendicular line is BC. How to this theorem comes upon means, this angle is right angle degree. So this is the opposite. This is called as a hypotenuse side. This is called as base. This is called as perpendicular. Okay, this is called as a perpendicular. So from how to do the proof A, first you take the triangle, you take only this triangle. That means, first take this triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Okay, first take this triangle. For this triangle, you have to going to do the perpendicular same base, the theorem number 6.7. If you do one perpendicular means, that perpendicular will be divide the both triangles. That is it will give the similarity. That means triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. That means in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, you can say using the theorem 6.7, that means the similarity of the triangles. Similarity of the triangles ABD is similar to ABC, because due to this 90 degree perpendicular. So triangle ABD similar triangle ABC. How? Theorem 6.7. Okay, 6.7. So triangle ABD. From this, you have to do the split ups. You have to take the hypotenuse outside, base outside, and perpendicular. How to do it means, first you take AB upon AD upon AC. AD upon AC equal to This is the ADB. Sorry children. It's ADB. So next one is AD upon AB. Next one is DB upon BC. DB upon BC. So what is you going to prove now? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here any cross multiplications give AC square or AB square or BC square? Yes. This two cross multiply can gives AB square. That means cross multiply. You don't want now this. So you just do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. AB upon AC equal to AD upon AB. So cross multiply. AB square equal to AC into AD. This is equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now you move on to in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Now that first triangle will be over. So you have to take the next triangle with the similarity of the triangle ABC. So triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. How to equalize the hypotenuse side? First, now you got AB square. Now you need BC square. Correct? So BD AB. BD upon AB. DC upon BC. BC upon AC. BC upon AC. So now you which it will give BC square, AB square you already got. So now it will, so here no BC. So you cancel this. You can try this. What is the cross multiplication? What is the cross multiplication upon BC square equal to DC into AC. So this is the equation number 2. That means this is the cross multiply DC into AC. This is a cross multiply BC into BC. So you will get BC square equal to DC into AC. From the equation 1 plus 2. From the equation 1 plus 2, you have to add the equation 1 plus 2. What is the left hand side? AB square plus BC square. This is the left hand side. Your right hand side is AC into AD plus CD into AC. DC can be written as CD also. So which one is the common? This is the common. So you can take it common thing in outside into AD plus CD. AD plus CD you can say AD plus DC or CD can be written as AC. Yes or no? Yes. So AC into AC. AC square. That means AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence the Pythagoras theorem proved. This can be usable for exercise 6.5 also. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. If in a triangle, right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Using this is the given. Prove. You have to prove means do the construction. BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, from this take the theorem 6.7. You take the similarity theorem. So this is the first similarity theorem. ADB is ADB here. A small mistake. ADB is and triangle ABC. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC from the theorem 6.7. So AB upon AC, AD upon AB, DB upon BC. This is the one is hypotenuse equalized for these two triangles. The base is equalized for these two triangles. One is perpendicular is equalized for these two triangles. That means AD upon AB. Sorry, AD upon, for this triangle AD is the base. For whole triangle AC is the base. Okay, what is the hypotenuse? What is the base? AB, AD is the base divided by AB. Okay, like that you can do it the separation. From these two similarity triangles, you can separate the hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. From that things, which one is cross multiplied, you will get AB square or BC square or AC square. Any one you have to get it. So I get AB square. So AB, AD, AC. So I will get here AB square. It will not similar. So cross multiply AB into AB square equal to AC into AB. So triangle, next take the triangle, second triangle and the old triangle. BDC equal to triangle ABC. So BD upon AB, DC upon BC, BC upon AC. The three sides will be coincided. So which one is coincide with this three squares? BC will coincide because here no BC, no we already know AB square. So no BC and no AC. So BC square equal to AC into DC. BC square equal to DC into AC. Equation at 1 and 2, you will get AB square plus BC square equal to AC square into AD plus CD into AC. AC is the common, so take it outside. AD plus CD. AD plus CD can be written as AC because triangle, this is D, this is A, this is C. AD plus DC can be written as AC. So AD plus CD is AC, AC into AC is AC square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence the Pythagoras theorem proved. Thank you children. Have a nice day. If you like my video, please subscribe.